got myself a brand new heater. Wow, it's a fancy Goldair. Look at that, guys. Shit. Here you guys go. There's the sticker, there's the model number, there's the wattage. Yeah. It's that fancy heater from that abandoned stable when I went back there and it was all destroyed. This was the heater that was from there. And yeah, I took this one home so I can smash it here, get a better video on it, and try and crush it with my boots. Yeah, try and crush it. What? How cheap? Broke instantly. Probably not even a year old because this heater's extra cheap. What? Man, so much cheap junk made these days. Oh, bloody plastic everywhere. My god, it is so brittle. So brittle and cheap. Oh my gosh. Oh, the heat coils are broken. And I'm sure a lot of you would like to see me smash it while it's plugged in, but I don't trust it. Not the dial fell off, it's sitting out in the rain and the shit and stuff. I don't trust it with zapping everything. So mean. Stupid heater. The dial fell off. How am I going to adjust it now? It's so unfortunate. Maybe that'll work. Set up. Will this dial fall off too? Nope, just crumples in. Man, I'm trying to eat the golf club. I'm trying to eat my boots. Wow, that thing is cheap. Wow, that thing is brittle. Shatters like glass. Yep, plastic. Gotta separate all this soon. Because the proper parts recycled. Sit on the podium there. Yeah. Wow. Well, this thing is cheap. Sit on the podium. I'm gonna fling off. Oh, there's the sticker. Try and keep that. Here it is. Here's the sticker, guys. If you guys want to see that again, and then you screenshot that. The fancy insides, they're all completely broken and destroyed. I can't believe how cheap this is. I mean, it was made this year, so I can't explain it. Even this plastic is cheap. Make everything cheap. Sit on the podium, caught out the way. This is light. Metal coils. Metal stuff. Now it's made the big mess. Like a mess. Cheap shot. Right. Nothing left of this now. Oh, even the blades. Wow. Actually metal. This is the cheapest metal ever. It just breaks. Just bends and snaps. Man, Goldair is the cheap brand. Motor. Oh, the plug needs to be destroyed. Make nothing usable on this. Even though it's already probably water damage from sitting in that area. No more fancy Goldair heater. Bye guys.